To use your Venmo balance. Start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your current balance displayed at the top of the screen. To make a payment using your Venmo balance, navigate to the payment screen by clicking on the Pay or Request button. Enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address, and the amount you wish to send. You can also add a note to the payment to describe what it is for. Next, select the payment method, which in this case will be your Venmo balance. If you have a sufficient balance, the payment will be deducted from your Venmo account. If you do not have enough funds in your Venmo balance, you can add a funding source, such as a bank account or credit card, to cover the remainder of the payment. You can also use your Venmo balance to make purchases online or in store with merchants who accept Venmo. To do this, you will need to add your Venmo account as a payment method in the merchant's app or website. When you are ready to make a purchase, select Venmo as your payment method and confirm the payment using the Venmo app. It is essential to keep in mind that you can only use your Venmo balance to make payments to other Venmo users or to merchants who accept Venmo. You cannot use your Venmo balance to make direct payments to bank accounts or credit cards. To transfer your Venmo balance to a bank account, go to the Settings menu in the Venmo app and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the bank account you want to transfer it to. The transfer will typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete, depending on your bank's processing time. To get the most out of your Venmo balance, it is a good idea to keep your account funded and up to date. You can do this by setting up direct deposit or by transferring funds from a bank account or credit card. Additionally, be sure to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Venmo balance to make payments, purchases, and transfers, and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that Venmo has to offer.